Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. Don't let another generic saw blade keep you from running at maximum efficiency. Upgrade to Sawblade.com's performance line of Qsaw blades. The Qsaw Pallet Dismantling series was designed around the intense and high production cutting in the pallet recycling industry. Our 18-inch 36-tooth pallet blade features premium-grade carbide with an ATB grind to allow for reduced snagging and fast, efficient rips through hard and soft wood. Our Qsaw blades cut straighter because they have laser-cut bodies rather than stamped, which results in less distortion, delivering a truer square blade. It also features an industrial brazing that creates an extra durable bond between the teeth and body of the blade. The 18-inch 36-tooth pallet blade is perfect for high production cutting and fast feed rates in hard and soft woods. Sawblade.com has an extensive line of sawing products, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.